Hello, Navigation Nation. In this video, we will review how to set up an appointment with your assigned advisor in Navigate. The first thing you will do is log into your Navigate account. Once you are logged in, you will see a list of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Appointments. To schedule an appointment, click on the box that says Schedule an Appointment in the right-hand corner. On the next screen, you will see a list of questions. The first question is, what type of appointment would you like to schedule? Select Advising from the drop-down menu. Now you will select the advising service that you need. Select a date, and then select Find Available Time. The quickest way to see availability for the next 30 days is by selecting the location that you would like to have your appointment at. Once you select the location, you will see options for dates and times appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, select the date and time that works best for you. On the next screen, you will be able to review your appointment details and confirm. Once you review this information, select Schedule. A confirmation screen will appear next. You will also receive a confirmation email that will be sent to your Rowan-Cabarrus student email account. Be sure to review this email for important information from your advisor.